Hey, what's going on? Welcome to this video. If you arrived here, posting for a review of Plugin Profit site. So I'll go over how it works and give you my 2 cents, whether I think it's a good use of your time. Now, I'm always coming with videos like this, so consider subscribing. And if you'd like my free training on the #1 simplest and fastest way to earn an income online, you can click that link below. You'll see my email opt-in page. Enter your best email. I could send you my free training if you want. All right, Plugin Profit site, let's dive in. So what this is basically is an opportunity that allow you to upload free, and I use that in quotes, a free website created by a guy named Stone Evans. And I'll talk about why I put the word free in quotes shortly. On this website, you'd have links to several different affiliate programs that you could sell, where if someone clicked on it, you would earn a commission. If they clicked and purchased, you would earn a commission. Now, he's always changing the programs that you would be selling, these different income streams. And now, interestingly, he has a testimonial on this sales page from Russell Brunson. If you don't know, Russell Brunson is a very successful internet marketer, owner of ClickFunnels, a huge software, you can see him right there, software company. So that doesn't mean this is legit, that you'll make money with Plugin Profits, but I just thought that was interesting that Russell Brunson, of all people, gave him a testimonial. The first program, so again, there's 5 income streams that you would be selling. So the first program you'd be selling is called Wealthy, and he's always changing them, but currently the first program is Wealthy Affiliate. Now, Wealthy Affiliate is a training program that'll teach people how to build a blog and drive traffic to that blog. It just means eyeballs, potential customers, using SEO or search engine optimization. That's ranking articles in Google so that people can find you. But it also covers a bit on email marketing, YouTube, paid advertising. But for most people, it's for people who want to build a blog and monetize it through either affiliate marketing or banner advertising. And affiliate marketing is just selling other people's products. The second program you could sell through your Plugin Profit site is it's a program called SFI. It's a network marketing company that has a bit of training on internet marketing, but the main goal is to recruit people into your downline. So it's kind of like this pyramid structure. You recruit 3, they recruit 3, and so on. And not my favorite business model. And then you would build a team and earn a residual income. So that's what SFI does. The third income stream is traffic authority. That's where people could purchase traffic. That's eyeballs, visitors, potential customers from various vendors. And there's different packages on offer from $220 all the way up to $2,490. Almost at the end. Fourthly is Global Domains International. That's where people could purchase a domain. Every website needs a domain, and in fact, you would need a domain for your website if you want to upload a Plugin Profit website. Whether you want to do that or not, that's a whole other matter. I'll talk about that in a bit. And the fifth is called Leads Leap. Sorry, I hope I pronounced that right. It's just another way to drive traffic. So to your website. Now, there are several problems I see with Plugin Profit site as a whole. First of all, it's not free. It will get quite expensive as you actually have to. Sorry, I'm getting tongue twisted. As you actually have to invest in these programs yourself in order to sell them. That's what the sales page doesn't tell you. In order to earn the full affiliate commissions, at least. And these programs aren't cheap. You'll need to buy upgrades. The second issue is that, and the even bigger issue, you're not learning how to really market properly with his training. Yes, he does include some basic training on how to set things up, insert your affiliate links, how to buy traffic, and all that. But I can promise you, if you implement these strategies, you're going to go broke, or you're not going to become profitable because you're not branding yourself. People have no idea who you are, and no one likes to buy from nameless, faceless website these days. People buy from people they like, know, and trust. People like Russell Brunson, who puts himself out there. By the way, he doesn't hide behind his computer and put up faceless websites. So why would you expect to do the same? And so if you think you could hide behind your keyboard, send a few emails out, and you're going to make sales that way, I'm sorry to break it to you, but that doesn't exist. That doesn't work, at least not in today's day and age, if it ever worked at all. Also, the traffic quality on these websites, like Traffic Authority, is very low. It's not targeted. A lot of the people on these lists are getting hammered over the head over and over 20 times a day with different promotions, and so they're not responsive. They'll click on your stuff because they're curious, but they won't buy from you. At least that's been my experience, at least. So I would stay clear of systems like this, done-for-you systems like Plug-in Profit Site, and systems that promise that you don't have to do any work, you just push a few buttons. Because let's be real, no such thing exists, because if it existed, then everyone would be doing it, right? We'd all be millionaires and sipping coconuts on a beach somewhere. But yeah, these systems never work out like they're promised. So that's my opinion, and you can take it for what it's worth. But look, you're here obviously because you're looking to earn an income from home. If that's the case, I was in your position 3 years ago. I tried all sorts of stuff. I tried blogging, freelancing, domain flipping. I tried systems like this. And none of the strategies I was implementing seemed to be working for me. It was a very confusing and frustrating time, to say the least. And after 2 years of spinning my wheels, ready to quit, quite honestly, I was very fortunate, or just stubborn enough, that I stumbled across the right information that taught me how to find a digital product, find a group of people that I didn't have to create, someone else's, find a group of people who'd be interested in that product, and when I connect the two together, I earn a commission. It's called affiliate marketing. And so I thought that's interesting. So I started implementing those strategies I was learning, and slowly but surely I've been seeing some amazing results ever since. At first it was, a sale every few weeks, and then it was multiple sales a week, and then multiple sales a day in some cases. And now I've had $1,000 plus days, some days. And it's just increasing in frequency. So if you'd like to learn what's been working for me and countless other students, which is actually more important, then all you have to do is click that link below. You'll see my email opt-in page. Enter your best email. I can send you my free training that'll really show you in detail how to set up a real affiliate marketing business, not something where you're using someone else's system, but something you'll actually have to create yourself. But if you do it properly, it's the most leverageable business model I'm aware of. The profit margins are incredibly high, between 40 and 90%. It's the most beginner friendly, and you could be a solopreneur. That means you could just be one person on your laptop. But there are some things you'll have to learn. It's not as simple as Plug-in Profit Site makes it sound. You'll have to learn how to select great products that will really help people, but also allow you to be very profitable. How to build out your simple sales process that can work for you on autopilot, whether you're there or not. And how to generate leads, that's very important, from a variety of different sources that you'll actually have to generate yourself, not just buy from some vendor. I talk about both paid and free methods in there. And lastly, and most importantly, how to build trust with people, because trust is the cornerstone of any online business, whether that's offline or online. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this review of Plug-in Profit Site. I hope to see you on the other side of that link, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.